We're here with James from Sunsynk, channel sales manager. Just talking here about the commercial offering that Sunsynk have, and obviously a lot of that is available through HDM Solar. James, you just want to explain a little bit about the range you have available and its features and benefits?
Yeah, of course. So our commercial range, three-phase, starting with our 8 kilowatt. So we do an 8, 10 and a 12 kilowatt three-phase commercial hybrid inverter. They work with our low voltage batteries, so our 48 volt batteries. We then move to the high voltage range, which, as you can see here, we do a 20, a 25, a 30 and a 50 kilowatt high voltage hybrid inverter. So when we say high voltage, it's still your standard three-phase supply, but they work with our high voltage batteries. We've got our 50 kilowatt three-phase high voltage hybrid inverter here, the full stack, which is 61.4 kilowatt hours. You can have multiple stacks per inverter, and you can also have, so the smallest amount per rack is 20 kilowatt hours, so you can have 4 of the batteries, but fully scalable. All our commercial kit works on or off grid. The 50 kilowatt has got an 80 kilowatt MPPT, over 4 separate MPPTs with 8 strings in total, dedicated backup generator input, so yeah.
So this looks pretty impressive, but there's some even more impressive stuff just around the corner. Shall we just go and have a look?
Yeah.
So this is an impressive piece of kit then, James. Just to explain what we've got here.
Yeah, so this is the Powerhub, so it's the Powerhub F120. Inside you've got 122 kilowatt hours of storage and our 50 kilowatt three-phase high voltage hybrid inverter. Inside, again, on-grid, off-grid. The best thing with this is, finger in the air, it's plug and play. So it's delivered to site, put your batteries in series, get your grid connection, and you're good to go. So yeah, all the standard features that you'd expect from Sunsynk, again, on or off grid. Got full HVAC cooling and heating, fire suppression, gas detection, all built in as standard.
And so the market for this?
So yeah, big commercial. So what we see is a lot of big commercial sites where they might have, a massive amount of grid-tied string inverters, but the customers are looking at the data of how much they're exporting, and they will add the Powerhub to site. So with this, we don't need solar connected to it. You can have solar connected to it. So, you can just put this on site, put a grid connection into it, and our CTs will see when those other string inverters are exporting, and we can divert that excess straight into our batteries.
Brilliant. So, some great commercial kit, some new stuff on the domestic front as well. Should we go and have a look at that?
Yeah, let's go.
And here we are. So there's some new designs, some new looking, great looking stuff here, James. So just explain what we've got.
Yeah, this is the Acure. So it's similar to our classic range. It's had a little bit of a facelift. Feature-wise, it maintains a lot of the standard features that you'd expect from Sunsynk. So it works on or off grid. You've got your backup generator input. You've got your UPS load. We've got a brand new UI built into the Acure. So we've listened to installers. We've made it easier to commission. We've got a light bar on the front. We've turned it off for the show, but the light bar can be set to show your battery SoC, whether you're connected to the grid or not, your backup load. There's a few different things you can choose. One of the important things, one of the main USPs is we'll be shipping each one with a wireless CT.
Okay.
So, we speak to installers, and one of the most frustrating parts of an install is connecting the CT. So yeah, we will be shipping these with a wireless CT, which is a bit of a game changer for the industry. So yeah, this is available as a 3.6 and a 5 kilowatt in this size, and then we've got the 8 kilowatt single phase, which is slightly bigger. These are the black ones, so we will have black W Series batteries to match it.
Yep.
We also do them in white, and they'll pair with our white W Series batteries as well.
And are these available right now?
They're on the way, so they should be with us in the next 4 to 6 weeks. So yeah, watch this space.
And then I hear that on the horizon there's some other new products coming from Sunsynk.
Yeah, so we've got the Elite, which is our stackable solution. We're going to offer in that as a 3.6, a 5, up to a 12 kilowatt three-phase. We've had it on the stand for the last couple of shows. It's took a while to get to us, but we should have those, we will have those beginning of January next year. So that's a full stackable system. Each battery module is 5.12 kilowatt hour. The market's been asking for it for a while. It's ready, and it'll be here with us really shortly.
So from the UK market, obviously you listen to installers, you listen to your competitors and all the rest of it. What's coming up in the next sort of 6 to 12 months, either from a Sunsynk point of view or from the UK market as a whole?
Yeah, so the market's booming in the UK. A lot of people refer to it as the solar coaster, but we're not seeing any slowdown in the market. Commercial, there's a massive shift in commercial, so we're seeing more and more businesses are looking at solar because the last few years people have started realizing that solar works and it pays for itself, and electricity rates have just gone up again, so yeah, there's never a better time to get involved.
Thanks very much.
Always.